People don't realize they're spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year on software subscriptions. Office apps, photo editors, video tools, cloud services, it adds up fast. But here's the good news. Some of the best software on the internet is completely free and open source. First, LibreOffice. It gives you Word, Excel, and PowerPoint alternatives without a subscription. It opens Microsoft Office files, works offline, and is used by governments, schools, and businesses worldwide. Instead of paying around $10 per month for Microsoft 365, LibreOffice costs absolutely nothing. Next, VLC Media Player. If a file exists, VLC will probably play it. It handles nearly every video and audio format, converts files, streams media, and syncs subtitles. Similar premium media tools can cost $5 to $15 per month, but VLC is completely free. For creators, DaVinci Resolve is a game changer. It's a professional video editor used on Hollywood productions, yet the free version includes editing, visual effects, audio production, and industry-leading color grading. Adobe Premiere Pro alone costs about $23 per month, while Resolve's free version costs $0. Need to record your screen or stream online? OBS Studio is the industry standard. Streamers, YouTubers, teachers, and businesses use it every day. Paid alternatives can cost anywhere from $5 to $25 per month, but OBS remains free. For image editing, there's GIMP. It offers layers, masks, filters, and photo retouching tools that cover most people's needs. Photoshop starts at roughly $23 per month, while GIMP costs nothing. For audio, Audacity remains one of the best free editors ever made. It's perfect for podcasts, voiceovers, and cleaning up recordings. Professional alternatives often cost $10 to $23 per month, but Audacity is free. If you're interested in 3D design, animation, or game assets, Blender is incredible. It's used in professional productions and replaces software that can cost $40 to nearly $200 per month. Blender costs exactly $0. For notes and productivity, Obsidian stores everything locally and connects your ideas through powerful note-linking features. Apps like Notion, Evernote, and Roam can cost $10 to $15 per month, while Obsidian is free for personal use. Learning to code? Scratch makes programming approachable with visual blocks. Many beginner coding platforms charge $10 to $30 per month, but Scratch is completely free. And if you want to build games, Godot lets you create and publish them without royalties. Unity Pro costs around $185 per month, while Godot costs nothing and takes no revenue share. Finally, two essential tools. Handbrake compresses videos and can replace converters that cost $5 to $15 per month. And 7-Zip handles compressed files better than many paid tools that charge $3 to $8 per month. Together, these free apps can replace software subscriptions worth more than $500 every month, while costing exactly $0. So, which of these apps do you already use, and which one are you installing next?